Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth error code 5.4 in Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section, then right-click your Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the removal if prompted. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. Windows will automatically detect the Bluetooth hardware and reinstall the required driver, which often resolves error code 5.4. If the issue continues, right-click the Start menu again and open Settings. Select Windows Update, then click Check for updates and install any available updates. After that, open Advanced Options, select Optional Updates and install any available driver updates, especially Bluetooth-related updates. Once everything is installed, restart your computer one more time and check if the Bluetooth device is working properly. So that's basically how you can fix Bluetooth error code 5.4 in Windows. And that's it for this video. Thanks.